Guys, this is Mommy Yours. It's raining Tuesday afternoon at in Davao City. We are in Cabantian, Barangay Cabantian, Buhangin, Davao City. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga duck kasi naulan. Pero ang aking puppy, takot. Takot kasi siya sa tubig. Matry kaya isama ang aking doggy sa dagat, no? Kaya lang kulit-kulit baka tumakbo, dapat may tali. Nakakagulat guys, ako may sampay. Ako pindot-pindot at nagtitingin-tingin support no, sa FB at saka sa YouTube kung may naka-live ba. Biglang umulan, karipas kaming takbo ng aso ko kasi ang sampay ko, ang hirap-hirap magkusot dahil wala naman akong washing machine. Because I don't have a washing machine, that's why when the heavy rain comes, I'm running fast with my doggy. Then after that, I will bitay there. There is the laundry came from outside when it's raining. I put in there, it's bitay in Bisaya. Hanging, huh? My laundry is hanging there. Tomorrow it will dry. It's easily dry because it's a little dry, but we have to put hanging because it will smell bad if there's a wet. You know, I'm English speaking, that's why when Tony Towers, Sir Tony Towers will understand what I'm saying, because maybe he thinks I'm crazy, I'm talking and I'm laughing and he don't understand what I'm saying. Ay, naku guys, grabe naman. Ang sarap pa sana maglaban. I had lots of laundry over there in the CR. I washing using my hands. Sometimes when I'm tired, I'm using my feet. Because my partner Ariel is a mechanic. That's why the uniform is very dirty. That's why I'm using my pit. I put on the ground and then I like that. Because my hand is very little, look. This is the hand of hardworking when I'm single. I'm working hard because we are 9 siblings. I'm the eldest and I am always helping my parents, and my siblings is first who have a family. I will help them to their marriage, and then they are four of my siblings are first who got married, and I'm always single and helping them. When they have children, I help them and their school. Yes, and when I have my own child, no one who helped me. It's okay, that's life. But I'm happy what I'm doing until now. I'm always sad when they have a problem. When I'm winning 200 pesos, 300 pesos. When I don't have money, I will cut into two. At 150, I will help them. Sometimes, you listening to my story? Sometimes, I get the borrow. I am palautang. And borrow to all my friends in YouTube, and I'm so glad that there's it's easy way to send money because of the GCash, you know? You understand? My story is very sad and very meaningful. It's a very sad story, okay? Oh, bye-bye. This is Mommy Yours. I love you. Bye-bye. You're listening to my story, huh? Bye-bye, guys. Hello to my team, baby. Shout out Sharon, Minerva, Sir Tony, and the love of his life, Angie, and Injai. Hello, Injai, Sophia, Leia. Hello, everybody. Hello. I can't mention all because I'm old. I am a kalimutin, okay? I am a kalimutin, ha? Huh? I'm so young, but I am a kalimutin na. Oh, she want to stop my story because maybe she's crying to my story, huh? Bye-bye!